Here I am with the giant cactus. We are here in Torrey Pines in San Diego, California with my sister and my sister-in-law Belle, King and Michelle. We're now going to trek along the beach of Torrey Pines area.
Vlogger, ha? Tatlo na kami.
This is the beach trail and there's so many trails coming up here. My sister, kasama ko nga pala aking sister from Chicago.
Good morning.
Pinuntahan niya kami rito, bonding with her. Kaya gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung mga pinupuntahan namin. And then my sister-in-law, Belle.
Hello.
And then with my daughter, Michelle up there. Michelle.
They're walking.
Oh, they're walking.
Video ba?
Tama kayo, Belle.
One step at a time.
Yeah, super half a step at a time na nga ginagawa ko eh. Okay, we're on top. I'm fine. I'm alive. It's just here from there.
Here from there?
Here from there. That's it.
Breathless ba? Breathless?
Yeah.
Tita Gina. Hi. Oh, yan.
Ah, hindi ka napapanik nga.
Oh, look at the view from the mountain
From
to the
mountain
sea.
To the sea.
Belle, King, say good morning.
Magandang umaga.
My son.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
The hills are alive with the sound of music. Alam nyo, ang sarap ng feeling na nadi-distress ka. At sa loob ng 3 taon without any travels, andito ako ngayon kasama ko ang aking mga mahal sa buhay. We'll have our croissant and our gelato. Pinapakita ko lang po yung mga pinupuntahan namin kasama ko ang aking mga mahal sa buhay. Ayan, iba-iba yung feeling. King, hello King!
Mother!
Kumusta? Are you enjoying your vacation?
Sarap!
Sarap daw, sarap. Ingat po parati. God bless you all.